Pero okay lang naman kung i-deny niya. Kasi yun talaga yung gagawin niya for sure. Kasi trabaho niya yun at nasa Congress siya. Pero ako, I swore under oath na I would tell the truth and that is the truth. Si Raul Manuel ay recruiter din ng NPA.
Disclaimer lang, hindi ko po nakita si Raul Manuel personally. However, kasama ko po si Eric Casilaw sa Sitio Balacayo, Barangay Namnam, San Fernando, Bukidnon. Kami po ang nag-facilitate ni Raul Manuel, kasama si Daniel De Llosa, kasama ni Kurt Russell Sosa, kasama ni Angeli Fortich, basta marami silang kasama. 16 of them, ko po yung may hawak ng recommendation letter nila. Kasi po yung harboring site namin ay ilang kilometro lang sa harboring site ng unit ko. Hindi po ako nandun physically sa unit ko dahil I was pregnant. So doon po ako sa regional headquarters pero napakalapit lang po namin sa kanila. So I facilitated them. Una natulog sila sa UCCP Haran and then kinabukasan doon sila dumaan sa barangay San Jose sa San Fernando, Bukidnon. Tama ba ko, 'di ba? Oh. Tapos dumaan sila sa Salog River. I-explain ko saan sila dumaan, baka sabihin niya hindi ko alam. Sa Salog River, and then after how many days, 5 days, nakarating sila sa range ng Sitio Bolo, Barangay Daguhoy, Talaingod, Davao del Norte. So umabot sila siguro ng siguro 2 weeks. Ang iba kasi deployment na eh. For example, si Kurt na deploy na siya sa ibang area. Yung iba 2 weeks hanggang 1 month na nagstay sa unit namin mismo. At may mga kasamaan po ako na wala dito na they can attest na Raul Manuel is there.
So, what does that make of Raul Manuel?
He is a member of the Communist Party of the Philippines, but he is not a member of the New People's Army.
So, member siya ng Communist Party of the Philippines. Very
Yes.
clear. Coming from you, baka sabihin ni Manuel na tuturuan kita. No student ka ngayon, di ba? Hindi ka pwedeng turuan. So, si Raul Manuel is a member of the
Communist Party of the Philippines.
Communist Party of the Philippines. Is that Raul Manuel, the same Raul Manuel that is
The Raul
party list representative
Yes.
ng Kabataan? The same person?
Yes.
The same person?
Yes.
So, puro kasinungaling yung sinasabi niya na wala siyang koneksyon sa CPP, NPA, NDF.
Bala siyang buhay niya.
That's
Yes.
for the record.
Yes.
Puro
Yes, of
kasinungaling
course,
yan.
you will deny it. No, the same as what we did nung nasa legal front organizations pa. We always deny because it is our responsibility to hide our identities na kami ay mga membro ng underground mass organization at members ng Communist Party of the Philippines.
So, for the record, just for the record.
For the record,
For the record, you are categorically
speaking that he is a member of the Communist
stating
Party of the
that Representative Raul Manuel of Kabataan Party List is a member of
Communist Party.
the Communist Party of the Philippines.
Yes.
So very clear yan.
Yes,
So
Chair.
kung siya ay nagdi-deny, nagsisinungaling siya.
Yes.
Okay. Because that is your usual modus operandi to deny every time you're being asked.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. Kate Traka, please, you have the floor.
Good afternoon, sir. In addition, sir, I also worked with Raul Manuel when he was the UP student regent in the University of the Philippines, and kasama ko siya, and we were recruiting for KM and for the Communist Party of the Philippines, and we facilitated yung NPA recruitment as well within the university. So I am sure he will deny this, my good old friend Raul and workmate. We worked within UP, no, within the Committee Tagapagpanganap, no, ng UP. Yun yung mastermind ng recruitment sa UP. He as a student regent at the time and me as the chairperson of Alay Sining, no. We planned and we implemented recruitment for the NPA. Kami yung nagpapatupad ng mga quota doon kung ilan yung NPA na dapat ma-recruit ng bawat chapter ng KM for each college, no, na meron sa UP. So, kaya siya pumasok sa NPA Mindanao, no? Kasi naman susunod yung mga tao sa kanya kung hindi siya nagpupunta doon, di ba? So, the same with me. Kasi leader ako, so I had to go to NPA Mindoro. How can I recruit NPA kung ako nga ayoko, di ba? Umuwi siya eh. Diba? Hindi siya nagtuloy mag-NPA. Ako, nagtuloy ako. Pero okay lang naman kung i-deny niya. Kasi yun talaga yung gagawin niya, for sure. Kasi trabaho niya yun at nasa Congress siya. Pero, ako, I swore under oath na I would tell the truth and that is the truth. Si Raul Manuel ay recruiter din ng NPA. Thank you, sir.
Raul Manuel is a recruiter of the NPA.
Yes, sir.
That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, we were
For the
planning,
record.
implementing recruitment programs no for NPA recruitment, sir.
So ngayon ay kumukulo na yung aking dugo habang titingnan ko itong tao na ito. You know, we might be laughing right now, but for all we know, this is a very serious matter.
Yes, sir.
You can just imagine a congressman of the Republic of the Philippines enjoying all the perks, enjoying everything, at the same time undermining this government, undermining the state.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? Kaya pala tuwang-tuwa itong tao na ito nung sabi na pinaganahan lang sila na papasukin daw yung ICC. Tuwa itong tao na ito. Talagang tuwang-tuwa siya na imbestigahan ako ng ICC. Tingnan natin ngayon, ikaw ang imbestigahan ko. So, thank you for those revelations. Ha?
Yes,
I am being a Filipino, hindi ako pwedeng forever tayo lulukuhin itong mga tao na ito. Hindi ito po pwedeng forever tayo lulukuhin. Destroying the government from within the government. Papayag ba tayo nito? Papasukan tayo ng ganitong klase mga tao sa ating gobyerno? Granting, provided by the Constitution, yung party list ay pwede sila mag-represent dyan. But what they're doing right now is talagang kakasama ng ating bansa. And I am willing, I am dedicating my life for this fight. Nakapag-retire ako sa Philippine National Police. Hindi ko mabilang kung ilang girang dinaanan ko with this NPA. Ito mga new people sa army nito. At sa awa ng Diyos, nakapag-retire ako. Ngayon nagkapag-retire na ako, dito na hindi na ako ngayon makipaglaban sa inyo sa armed struggle. Dito ko kayo lalabanan sa inyong parliamentary struggle na sinasabi ninyo. Legal sa legal. Tingnan natin. Senador ako ngayon. Tingnan natin. Itong mga tao na ito yung nagpapahirap ng Pilipinas eh. Ito yung nagpapahirap ng Pilipinas. To be frank about it. Sabihin man ninyo na sinira ko yung parliamentary courtesy. But my love for this country is above and beyond parliamentary courtesy. Kumukulo ang dugo ko, nakikita ko itong patawa-tawa, pa-smile-smile. Oh. Yung pala'y anay pala ito na sumisira ng ating lipunan. Diyos ko, bakit meron tayong ganyang mga congressman? Sige, continue. Sinong gusto magsalita?
Kasi yun po, no, lumabas sila and then after that, sila lang po yung sila po yung mga, yun nga, napakarami kong sinabi kanina mga estudyante, nagpapakita lang po yun, napapatunay lang yun, no? It's an objective basis na may efforts talaga, napakalaki talaga yung efforts ng CPP, NP, NDF na mag-recruit po sa mga kabataan. Kasi sila yung nagiging second liners para maging politiko and military cadre.
Hindi mo natanong si Raul Manuel na ano kaya, sir, kung ikaw na lang mag-armas, lumabang ka doon sa bundok, bakit kami pang nire-recruit ninyo? Hindi nyo nasabihan yan.
Nauna po kasi ako sa kanya.
Nauna ka sa kanila?
Nauna ako sa kanya.
Ibig sabihin, mas senior ka sa kanya?
Opo.
Thank you.
Ang mga kabatch niya po, si Kate Raka. Kaya si Kate po yung kanina nag-explain regarding kay yung mas malalim na participation ni Raul Manuel.
So, you mean to say, kabatch mo siya?
Yes, sir. We were, magsabay kami nag-student council and nung naging student regent siya sa UP, I was also operative ng CPP sa UP. So parehas kami nag-ooperate under the same committee. And then, actually, bago ako mamundok, ay nagpaalam ako sa kanila. Sabi ko, Raul, mag-NPA na ako sa Palawan. Paalam lang ba? As a friend. Tapos, Kasi, you know, baka ma-convince ko siya na mag-NPA din. And he told me na he's planning to be a part of the Congress sa KPL. So, we went our separate ways, but we had the same goal, no? Recruitment pa rin, no? Bigger pool for the NPA. So, ito si Raul, hindi niya choice. Hindi niya choice na mag-NPA. Pero, he's part of the body na nagre-recruit for the NPA. So, there's that truth na kasama ako at yung iba pang mga kabataan na sumunod sa akin ay recruited under the influence of the same party list, sir. Kasi yung Anak Bayan, Alay Sining, LFS, sila yung organizations na founding organizations ng Kabataan Party List. Anak Bayan, League of Filipino Students, Alay Sining, and other organizations na affiliated sa left-wing Red. No, yan yung youth, no, ay founding members ng Kabataan Party List. And it's true na under their influence, no, ay maraming batang nare-recruit into the NPA. And I was one of them. Si Raul, siguro mas masaya sa Congress.